The estimated number of people around the world who've died due to coronavirus has now topped 3 million, with the highest number in America, followed by Brazil, Mexico and India. In Brazil, so far, more than 370,000 people have died, but President Bolsonaro refuses to order a lockdown despite continuing infections. Our correspondent Mark Lowen has sent us this report from Sao Paolo.
Every day, the faces of despair multiply. The food lines in Sao Paulo's largest favela go on and on. With most here working in the grey economy, queues have more than tripled as COVID takes lives and livelihoods of Brazil's poorest. For Luciana Firmino and her family, this is their only meal of the day. She lost her job in a manicure studio with the pandemic, and they're unable to pay the rent.
I've lost hope. We will have to live on the street or under a bridge soon. Sometimes I think I should give my children away to social services.
It feels like a different country among the rich farmers and backers of the president. Harvesting the corn, Frederico Davila says Bolsonaro is cutting through a corrupt establishment. But with his hostility to lockdowns, slow vaccine purchase and Brazil shrouded by over 365,000 deaths, the president's critics call his handling genocidal.
President Bolsonaro is not focused in killing anyone. He wants to preserve the liberties of the people. He wants people to get out, to get work.
The cost of that is the second worst death toll in the world and a hospital collapse.
No, it's not true, because these 365,000, we don't know if they are died by corona.
To understand President Bolsonaro's support, even after the awful toll of the pandemic here, just look at his inspiration, Donald Trump. Both paint themselves as anti-establishment, both captured the populist mood, and both, despite mismanaging the pandemic, have kept their devoted following, from the wealthy farmers to the conservative base.
Blasting out his message are the evangelicals, streaming part samba, part sermon. Online is key to rallying the Bolsonaro faithful. They back the president's push to reopen churches.
The church votes in favor of Bolsonaro because he defends the family, he's against abortion and school books promoting LGBT groups. He fights for Brazil with Christian values. And if he doesn't want to wear a mask, that's his right to choose.
With a divisive president and a virus and poverty exploding, Brazil faces a perfect storm. They're preaching to the converted here, but increasingly for this devastated country, they're empty words. Mark Lowen, BBC News, Sao Paulo.